Should not cut the trees because they give us oxygen by they produce oxygen by using the carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide isn't good for us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today we will start the video editing, how to do video editing. So आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड पे करना है। अगर आपने खुद की वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करनी है, okay, here we get it. Here I'm recording a video using Canva for video editing. Okay, so we have done it. Let's see it. 7 exit. Now I think there it will give us that. Okay. Still we don't need this circle. Okay. Here let's try the power of the background remove in the Canva. I think so it can be a little slower. Only 1% is done right now. 100%? Okay. Now here I can do something even fun. Okay, let's see. Enter view table. That's optional. You doesn't have to need this. Oh, table. None of that are fitting to the my. Not this even. Will it fit? Okay, I'll try to fit my video. So okay, that's optional, but you can still remove this. I have repeated one. Okay, firstly, you can edit in this way. Okay, recording. Okay, um, here you can choose this one and place it at background. But still, we need one. It can be okay. You can fix it from okay. using Canva. Canva, this is not the Canva. Leave it what you said. Okay, let's go ahead and see is there any video. Okay, so there should be any photo here. Okay, okay, so there understanding that Canva. Uh, okay, so it becomes like this. Okay, no, no. Also, you can add the pop animation here. Animate it like shake zone. But I recommend you have to use it in the frame. So I like it the most. This is most um, cool. But wait, how does it work? This isn't working. Oh yeah, I don't know why it is taking too much time. Okay, so here for video editing, you can put the video editing. Okay, here you can find this one, but in the way we by the way we don't edit by Canva like this on screen. You can press Control and square bracket to put it away. Like Control and square bracket. What? Yeah. Um, I think so. I should add a chair here. Okay. बड़ी चेयर नहीं होती guys. So control. Where's me guy? I am actually. Wait guys, I'm not here. Oh sorry. Control. Yeah. Me appeared. Okay, let's try it. Sometimes it happens. Okay, you can add additional things here. Okay, and camera in the end most. and this, but okay, this is really optional. Okay, if you want to do that, you can do this. Now it looks like something else. Wait, I think this. Yeah. Wait, that's little circuit. Yeah. Now this is not for action. Now let's say create a new one. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, yeah. We do not need to. We don't. Sorry, this. Delete it. We should not cut the trees because they give us oxygen by they produce oxygen by using the carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide isn't good for us and oxygen is good for us, and it is very important for our brain. So another reason is that trees gives us fresh oxygen. The more you plant the tree, the more you will your surrounding will get cooler. Okay, it's a bit longer. Save and exit. Okay. This because okay. Let's go to uploading. Okay. It now this is the second tab. Okay. Okay, this can be little. Okay. We can add here from trees. Okay. Now again you have to go to the trees. You will find there many videos. You have to film like that. This can be and make you angry, but you shouldn't. Okay, because this is not now. Okay, you have to picture. You have to choose it, please. Okay. It didn't oxygen. Oxygen. I'm not sure what to choose for oxygen. Yeah, this can be good for you. Okay, oxygen. Now This guy. This guy is having the mask of oxygen. Okay. Now, as always, that can make you angry again, but you should. Okay. It is not in a long process, but you may think why this increase the quality or increase the length. See, here's the time. Second, it keep repeating it. Okay, keep repeating oxygen. Okay, let's go ahead. Oxygen is here. Okay, so here we have to add carbon dioxide. Wait a minute, what is that? So, um, CO2. Okay, videos again. We can choose this one. Okay, from here. Also, okay, just from here. Okay, here you can add in. This is the full action movie. But guys, do not upload too much videos. It can overload the Canva. Like right now, it is happening. Okay. Okay. Here you can add code. Okay, now like just effect. Now we can add animation and like okay. This is where okay. This take too much time. This overloads the Canva. Okay. Okay. Sorry for that. This Java isn't good for us. Here I'm recording a video using using Canva for video editing. We should not cut the trees because they give us oxygen by they produce oxygen by using the carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide isn't good for us and oxygen is good for us, and it is very important for our brain. So another reason is that trees gives us fresh oxygen. The more you plant the tree, the more you will your surrounding will get cooler. We should not cut the trees because they give us oxygen